Sorry, there you go. You should have already started this, clicked on this video, which is what you're watching now. Now that you've been introduced and reviewed Newton's laws, we're going to break down each one of Newton's 3 laws, starting with the first one. Newton's first law represents the basics of motion and the causes, as well as prevention of motion. So let's go through a simulation as a class. You're actually going to do this independently with watching this video. The link is attached to your handout and can be accessed on Google Classroom if you would like to play it later. So here, what we are going to do is go through each and every one. So click on this link, then it'll get you here. Click on motion, double click on that, and then it gives you this. Click on all of these items so they have a check. So force is already given to you. Click on values, masses, so you get the mass of each object, and then speed. Okay. All right, now that you've done that, we're going to determine the mass of the crate. The mass of the crate is 50 grams. So you write 50 grams. Awesome. Now, number 2, we're going to apply 5 newtons of force onto the crate. What is the speed after 10 seconds of force applied? Well, let's apply 5 newtons of force. We click on this one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it says what after 10 seconds? Let's wait 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we see the speed is 1.4. Okay, let's just quickly put that meters per second squared. Per second squared. Awesome. Now, number 3, what is the speed after 20 seconds of force applied? Well, it's been about 20 seconds now, so you write this digit down. Write down that digit there. 4, explain why the speed continues to increase instead of stay the same. Think about it. So force is continuously being applied on this object. The force is not changing. It is continuing to be applied by or on this object, the same amount. So let's think about it. Why? Just think about it. Please do not Google it. After that, you're going to replace the 50 kilogram crate with the 200 kilogram fridge. Let's do that. First, I want to reset everything. Okay, just reset it all. We press this thing, reset it. Value, mass, speed, replace, click and drag, fun stuff. All right. Now, what is the apply 10 newtons of force and what is speed after 10 seconds? Apply 10, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And it's 0.5 was it. So 0.5 meters per second squared. And it says experiment, like add more or less force and describe how the speed changes. I just want you to look at this. This is interesting, right? Like more force is applied onto this heavier object. It's like double. However, the speed is way less than when I applied less force on an object with a smaller mass. So it's really interesting, isn't it? Think about it. This is 1.4. This is 0.5. What is that change? It's like triple. It's like triple what we see, which is interesting. Okay. Why don't you experiment? Really cool things that you can do is like, well, first you always have to reset it, click everything because we want all the values. Maybe instead of putting a crate, why don't you put like this man? Look, kids, that's cute. Why don't you put this man and a trash can? Oh, he's holding it. Can you like flip it? Oh, that's nice. Can you put a chick in there too? Yeah. So you can do a lot of stuff. All right. You can do 3 at a time. So you can keep applying force. If you jump to this one, it gives you like 50. Okay. You can even do 50 this way, and that's 0 to take it away. So that's really cool things to add on. All right. Well, enjoy. Have a good one, and we will see you next time.